was able to stop these people when I saw them on the road and asked if I could have his wood chips. They said yes, I could. I could have the chips as soon as they were finished that day. They were going to bring me the chips. So I'm excited. I get chips now. I can exchange my hay for chips, but my guineas got scared. Here they are, afraid. Too much noise. Got some wood chips delivered yesterday. 2 loads. Look at that. Wonderful. I know all of you have seen my islands. Since I couldn't get any wood chips, I had to get all hay. However, this is my walkway. The walkways are going to have wood chips all along back there. This is my entryway, and now full of wood chips. Walkway. I have beans and peas going up there. It's going to be a little bit, but once it climbs, it's going to look really pretty. Well, the continuation of wood chips will go all along here. As you all know, probably you don't, but those that you do know, I have 36 fruit trees, all planted in this little area. Since I put a lot of comfrey on my plants, they're going crazy. I have massive growth on all my plants, but it is so darn hot now. See, look at all this growth. But it's so darn hot. I need a shade cloth of some sort. I keep watering and watering. I water in the morning and water in the evening, and they are doing wonderful, yet they still wilt. So I have all these baskets on my baby plants, but I need a big shade cloth. So this is my solution for now anyway. I've ordered some shade cloths, but it's going to take a while for them to come in, and my plants can't wait. They're baby plants and they're all wilted. So here we go. I just put a tarp for now. And I will replace them when the other ones come. since it's a worm, I've been watering a lot. Since I've been watering a lot, there have been a lot of weeds growing. So now that we have all these wood chips, I can go ahead and just use wood chips on top of all the hay. So weeding, come up every morning when it's nice and cool and weed. It's just getting ridiculous. So much weeds. All we do, it's like pull weeds. So we are going to get more cardboard and put all wood chips very, very thick on top of them. And now this area here, of course, was destroyed by all the raccoons. We're up to number 15. Can you believe that? 15 raccoons were caught in that trap. But we had to redo the whole thing. So no one said it was easy. No one told us it was going to be a piece of cake. So we're redoing all this area, got a lot of cardboard, and we're going to put a lot of wood chips. Tons and tons of wood chips on top. And the best thing of this whole situation is the electric company is clearing all the trees that are attached or that run through the line. So they said I could have as much as I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 loads of chips, whatever I want. And this is how they're doing it right here with a chopper. Phew, that was scary, wasn't it? Well, that was a chopper behind my house. If you saw anything you like, please give it a like, click that button, that bell, and subscribe so you can get more videos. Take a look at this. We're ending with this beauty.